Hey guys, today I just wanted to touch base on some Google emails that I'm sure every one of you guys have been getting. This is one you need to this confirmation of or account verifications by whatever date you selected. You need to make sure that you do it by that date. If you do not, Google will close your account and all of the apps will be lost inside of the account. So please don't take this lightly. Don't ignore it. Don't set it off. It's not a complicated process. I've already made a video on how to do this some time ago. Please do this as soon as you can. If you get this email, do that. The other email is not that one. This one. This one. If your account has not been used, this is what it's been saying. You would have received a couple of emails prior to it being closed down. And if you get the emails before it closed down, all you need to do is go and update your app, whatever app is inside it. For whatever reason, I don't know why they're closing accounts. Everyone knows, there's no way to contact anyone at Google. I have tried contacting them. There's been some stuff going around that there's account closures if you're if you have policy violations. For example, if you make your privacy policy link is broken anywhere in the app or in the Play Store or whatever, that's a policy violation, and getting 3 of those violations means that your account will automatically close. I haven't seen that happen, but I have seen some of our accounts that have that use other platforms as well has told us that other platforms are warning their clients as well. I've reached out to Google trying to get someone to speak to with these concerns. I'm waiting on some responses. They did acknowledge receiving my email. That was last week, and still haven't heard back on anything like that. So don't take this lightly. If you're getting emails regarding any kind of account closure, you need to act on it, because once the account's closed, the apps inside that account will be lost forever. You will never be able to get them back. Nobody at Google will be able to reinstate your account, no matter how much you explain. So once those apps are lost forever, you would have to build a whole new app and open a new developer account and submit it in a brand new account. You will lose all of your downloads forever. So please take this seriously. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.